Welcome back to ASL Chennai Speaks Out. In fact, we heard Alik Padamse talking there about the creative license. We want to ask our advertisers here in the studio as to whether that creative license is stretched too far. We in India somehow always find a way of circumventing the law. Liquor advertisements banned. But you still have liquor brand names on advertisements for CDs and cassettes. How would you answer this?
No, I'm saying even if we stop that, okay? Now,
No, is this misleading? Is this unethical? Or as Prakash says, all is honky-dory?
No, I think everything, you have a rule and you have to go within a rule.
No, so therefore you're circumventing the
I'm
rule
saying,
is my point.
No, I'm saying
in this particular
no, 1
case,
second. When Kingfisher says mineral water, Kingfisher has a bottle of mineral water which they sell.
What are the minerals in the water? Sometimes some of them have stopped actually calling it mineral water.
Yes. In fact, in this case, people are not misled at all. If you say cassettes and CDs, everybody knows it's not cassettes and CDs.
But it's not correct to do that when you say that you're.
So the whole issue is different. I mean, the whole issue is debating whether we should ban these ads or not.
Do you really get those cassettes and CDs?
Okay, Saroja, in fact, earlier we used to have water called mineral water. Some of them still do, but most of them don't. They call it packaged, purified or whatever.
Packaged drinking water. They claim to have some certain minerals, but it's very minimal actually. But now almost all companies have changed the names. It's packaged mineral water now.
Okay, yes, sir. We pass the mic to the
Sorry, so packaged drinking water, not mineral water.
So advertisers do not have corporate social responsibility. That's point number one.
Okay.
If you take the mutual fund industry today, over a period of time it has evolved. AMFI, which is a self-regulating body, has brought in so many changes now. What has advertising, self-regulating body of the advertisers of India done? Have they covered ground over the past years?
Prakash, you want to take that?
Tremendous amount of ground has been covered. I think it's one of the better self-regulating bodies present in the country. Whether it's ASCI or the advertising agencies themselves, because I think there is a huge regulation, a natural regulation which comes because it affects business directly.
As advertisers, do you believe in what you are doing?
Absolutely.
Forget about customers believing, consumers believing, companies believing. As advertisers, do you think, take this example of a paint bomb which we advertised which is recently. The bride just bends down and has a backache, takes the paint bomb, and in 15 seconds she is off. Has anybody in the world got his back pain cured in 15 seconds? Can you tell me? You will again say 15
let
seconds
me ask
an
you the same
exaggeration.
question.
Forget about 15 seconds.
Let me ask
5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Let me ask you the same question.
Your back pain will disappear in 15 seconds. The
That's
problem
what
is
she
we
does.
have
She
30
dances
seconds
after
to...
15 seconds.
Sorry?
She dances.
No, that
So I have a very...
You cannot call them because they have only
So
a 20
then I'll have
seconds
to make
span.
it. I'll have to make a TV commercial which is 1 week long to capture the whole.
I don't want you to make a TV commercial 1 week long. It says that the lady who is coming to the reception is not also going to be there for 1 week. The next fifth second, both of them start dancing. Come on.
No. Let me ask you a simple question. Superstar doesn't touch anybody and bashes up 80 people.
Exactly. That's
Exactly.
After drinking
Exactly.
tea. After drinking a particular brand of tea. After drinking a particular brand of tea.
Excuse me, he is the product.
Today it's after wearing that
Excuse me, he is the product.
vest.
They used to say lies, white lies, and statistics. I now say lies, white lies, advertisements.
No, so
In
the
fact,
point
today, I'm sorry to say this, advertisements today are competing with cinemas, soaps, to just garner the attention of people and put them on this thing.
Advertising, you'll have to look at it with a little bit of creativity. I think that is very important.
But creativity is different from fabrication. Creativity is
No, I
different
don't
from
think
deception.
I agree.
Creativity is different
No,
from
no, no, no.
exaggeration.
An advertising agency will tell you that.
I'll play devil's advocate here. I feel that as you have to give a certain level of license to advertisement, they will exaggerate a bit. But as far as that exaggeration is couched in humor, it is very good. We know that Fevicol has nothing to do with unbreakable eggs, but still we enjoy those ads. We know that Fevicol is not is going to improve the gravity of the earth. People, some alien coming and grabbing people, and you pour Fevicol into the well, and then they are all going to come. But still, there is a creative element into that. In that exaggeration, there is a great sense of humor.
Many of these advertisements target children. Now, 50% of them are during children's programming hours. Now, children have what they call the pester power. When a child wants something, the parents better get it for the child. So therefore, you may not have a very mature audience, a very discerning audience to actually draw a line and say, well, this is not possible, right?
Absolutely.
No, that see when you
would you agree with the audience? Agree with that? The children, the pester power.
The
Yes,
tantalizing effect on
just
children
have a
is much
question.
greater than on the adults. That definitely is it.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yeah, I just have a basic question. Why most of the advertisement never follow logic? For example, you can take the cricket ad. What it has got to do with the hair?
When we look at the Mountain Dew ad, This guy is reaching into the cheetah's mouth and taking out the bottle. I mean, what's the logic?
But he said
in that?
brave as a
What
lion,
is
so
it-
therefore brave as a
Right. So, yes, creativity is very
basic
challenging.
logic is
So also about this particular product to boost memory, and you had a chess champion claiming that he uses that, but we all know that he became a champion much before the product hit the stands.
Actually, we did a ad for a client of mine, which was a shirt made out of leaves because it's 100% cotton. So we said, inspired from nature. Now, there was a customer who went to the showroom and said, no, I want the same shirt with leaves. Okay. Now, we've taken the creative liberty of using leaves with nature and saying 100% cotton. So I think there is this creative liberty of saying, we're not saying that we are making shirts out of leaves and selling it.
No, the point here is there are people who are gullible. They believe that there are shirts made of leaves. That's exactly the point. In
So
society,
Prakash,
we
does
have
this
people,
validate
they
what you
believe
said
what you
some time
say.
back about illiteracy?
That's exactly the point.
It validates what I said.
That's exactly
right
the
at
point.
beginning.
But what
Of course,
we're
you'll
trying-
find that one person will go and say, give me the shirt with leaves. Sure.
I think that number is more than one, right?
Yeah. For shirt it is
Very, very
one,
small.
but for
I mean,
other products it
average
may be
people-
more.
Just recently, I'd asked this dentist whether these chewing gums and all that, these sugar-free, like these big brands like Happy Dent and Orbit, they claim to say that it's sugar-free and that it prevents your teeth from tartar and cavities. I happened to ask the dentist saying, is it true? Because I see a lot of youngsters today just chewing every morning practically 1-2 packets. So where do you identify logic?
Pass the
Because
mic to
these
her. I'll let the dentist answer it first.
these
That's how we've
ads
gotten
are approved by saying that the Dental Association has approved this, saying, blah, blah, blah.
Is it true? By the way, when they say Indian Dental Association approved product, is that really true?
To an extent, yes. A certain part of
So
it. they
dentists
do
also are joining in the...
No. This is the point. I would like to ask that little young girl there. What did your dentist say to you when you asked him that question?
She said it's just a sugar-free chewing gum. It doesn't have any effect on
You
cavities
got
and
that?
tartar.
That is the answer.
No. She said it. He's not your dentist, right?
Yeah, he isn't my dentist.
Her dentist was also right.
No, that brings
You see,
me to
ethical
another ad of
No,
sugar free.
this again brings us to another point of self-regulation. A lot of people do follow a lot of ethical practices. Now, when some of my patients come and ask me, is it good having a chewing gum? A chewing gum by itself is not going to help you or harm you in any particular way unless you go on, a massive spree where you're having like 10 packets a day or 20 packets a day. It's not going to harm
But
you
the
or
amount
help
of saliva that you secrete when you chew something, does that help the teeth?
you. Saliva is actually a little bit of a cleaning
Antiseptic,
agent,
okay.
yeah. So it does help to an extent. But what you guys claim in your ads, that this will prevent decay, definitely it's not. Yeah, in an indirect way, maybe. Absolutely not.
Absolutely
How
not.
is
That brings me to that another ad which I would like to say, that sugar free ad which says sugar bhi nahi or healthy bhi and whatnot. I mean, why is that company not
the
telling
thing
that
here-
it contains saccharin which is carcinogen?
Absolutely.
Healthy, they are promoting it as healthy which has saccharin which can cause cancer.
That's a
company's
serious
argument
charge,
here,
Prakash,
Shweta,
you have to
would
answer
be that
this.
this prevents you from eating
So let-
other things
yeah,
and therefore prevents decay.
Let Prakash answer this. I mean, Shweta's point as well as Dr. Suresh's point.
It's a bit like, I know this debate can go on and on. It's a bit like going for a job interview and saying, what are your strengths? I've got very good communication skills, and saying, but I'm very weak in maths. Now the fact is, just like a lawyer takes a brief, just like, a marketer will stand by what are the strengths of his product.
Slimming, these wonder treatments, these modules that you have before and after, you show somebody really fat and then after that's, with a almost size 0. These are clearly, I mean, if they're not misleading, what else is misleading? And also that it makes many
absolutely
people, many
misleading.
young
And there
girls
are
become anorexic and a whole lot of other problems. Right?
Then you
No,
have
no.
markets
No,
selling you peaches
so
in your shampoo. You don't eat them, you put
I'd
them in
like
your
to
shampoo.
I'd like to let you on a small secret. I have a cousin who is 60 plus. He was prematurely bald, completely bald. And one find in the Hindu, and that was a small ad for a hair growth oil or something. And then this fellow was having black hair. And then I walked into his house. What is this? And then he was completely bald. Is it? But I saw you like this. Yeah, that is only for the advertisement. So till this day, he remains bald. But he was used as a model for a hair growth.
A lot of these products and a lot of these ads will be for companies you can't even find.
Maybe 10 days or 15 days back I saw this. Using a particular soap increases attendance in school by 40%. I really didn't understand this.
What about discount sales? You in fact hike the price of a product and then say you give a discount. You say offer extended due to popular demand, and then you extend the
other thing is up to sale. Up to.
Yeah, and also you find certain products in discount sale. And then, Saroja, you correct me if I'm wrong, then you actually find that only certain products
exactly,
only
one
steer the
shelf
consumer
in
towards
the
the costlier products.
store will be selling those products for that particular discount which they have mentioned. It will say up to 50%, but if you go there, this 50%, this up to will, is the actually operative word actually.
And you feel cheated that there's only 2% of their entire merchandise which is old stock, whatever it is, on 50%. Will you go back again the next year when they have the sale?
Definitely not.
So that's exactly what I'm trying to say.
Everybody is so aware, and everybody says this ad is bad, that product is not good, etc., etc. Now,
but you cannot judge by this audience.
We've completely run out of time. Sometimes we end up shooting the messenger, I know. But thank you very much for joining us on Aircel Chennai Speaks Out. If you do have a comment to make or any suggestions to improve our show, please do write into us. You can email us to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. From all of us on the Aircel Chennai Speaks Out team, thank you for watching. We'll see you next week at the same time.